Hello students, today we are going to begin with a new chapter that is carbon and its compounds. अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जस्ट प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल to get regular updates about the video uploads. Okay, so in the last chapter we came to know like many compounds of importance to us. हमने कई compounds देखे थे. Baking soda was there. Okay, then we had compounds of calcium, sodium, various salts were there and all. Okay, and in this chapter we will study about some more interesting compounds and their properties. So basically we'll be learning about carbon, an element which is of immense significance to us in both its elemental form as well as in the combined form. तो mainly हम carbon and its compounds ये दोनों study करेंगे. Okay. So let's perform an activity. See, ये जो small activities होती हैं इन्हें perform करने से you get a better grasp of the topic. आप topic को बहुत अच्छे से समझ पाते हो, उसे day to day life activities से relate कर पाते हो. So try to do these activities sincerely. Okay. So we have to make a list of 10 things that we have used or consumed since the morning. जैसे आप अपना पूरा routine देखो तो आप identify करो the things which you used made up of metal, made of clay or glass and others. Okay. You can then compile the list made by your classmates and sort the items into this table. Okay. If there are items which are made up of more than one material, then you can put them into both the relevant columns of the table. Okay. So these are some examples. Metal से देखो क्या क्या बना होता है. Spoon, keys of the car, pen, metal parts of the pen. Then mobile phone has some metal parts. Laptop has some metal parts. Door handle. Watch has metal parts also. Eyeglass frames. वैसे ये plastic के भी आते हैं, but metal also is used sometimes. Bicycle, water bottle. Okay. Then things made of glass or clay. It can be drinking glass, window, vase. Then ceramic mug, glass bottle, plate, light bulb, flower pot, mirror, bulb, all these. And others are something made of plastic, like toothbrushes made of plastic, notebook of paper, shoes of leather, bag, food, clothes, remote control of plastic, chair of wood, soap, then towel. This is made up of fabric. So you are basically identifying the materials like which are made of metal, then glass or clay or others such as plastic, fiber, etc. So if we look at the items that come in the last column of the above table, मतलब जो metal से भी नहीं बने और glass या clay से भी नहीं बने, okay, you can identify most of them are made of compounds of carbon. Can we test this somehow? Okay, what would be the product if a compound containing carbon is burnt? How do you know, like any test is there to confirm it or not? Okay, that we will be answering these questions. So food, clothes, medicines, books, or many of the things that we listed are all based on this versatile element carbon. Okay. In addition, all living structures are carbon based. The amount of carbon present in Earth's crust and in the atmosphere is quite meager. Earth's crust में कितना होता है कार्बन 0.02% only. In the form of minerals जैसे carbonates, hydrogen carbonates, coal, petroleum. Okay. Atmosphere में कितना है 0.03% carbon dioxide. And in spite of the small amount of carbon available in nature, the importance of carbon is very immense. Okay, so in this chapter, we will know about the properties of carbon which make it so important to all of us. Right? Thank you so much for watching the lecture and watch the complete playlist in order to get better clarity of the chapters.